Good morning, everyone. I'm Anissa Karima.
I'm Ruth Angeline.
Thank you so much for streaming with us.
We begin this morning with the long-awaited historic moment unfolding at this hour. We are all witnessing a potential turning point in the coronavirus pandemic right here in Indonesia. The people who received the COVID-19 vaccine are those whose name and identities are recorded in the information system of the COVID-19 vaccination data managed by the Health Ministry.
The main priority for vaccine recipients are the front line of handling COVID-19, such as health workers, soldiers, police, and public service officers. The Ministry of Health's website states that the first phase of vaccination will be carried out from January to April 2021 with a priority of 1.3 million health workers and 17.4 million public officers. It is planned that this vaccination will begin on January 13 with a target of 5.8 million vaccines for January to be distributed to the regions.
The 4th Level Hospital TNI AD Wirasatya Singaraja Buleleng Bali held a simulation of the implementation of the COVID-19 vaccination. From monitoring at the location, the simulation was attended by a number of staff and special doctors in the hospital. Before being vaccinated, you are required to wash your hands first and check your body temperature. Furthermore, one by one they are directed to go to the counter, showing the data on the vaccine participants who have registered in the data of the Human Resource Ministry of the Health. After showing the data, the vaccination participants were then screened and directed to a special room to be injected with the vaccine.
COVID vaccination coordinator for level 4 hospitals TNI AD Wirasatya Singaraja, Lieutenant Colonel CPM Dr. Komang Agus Wirawan, said the vaccination process is planned only for the internal health workers of the Indonesian National Police. However, if they are also assigned to vaccinate TNI members, they will admit that they are ready. As is known, the province of Bali provides 3,590 vaccines for Buleleng. All vaccines will be given to health workers in regional hospitals, private hospitals, clinics, and even to pharmacies who are directly related to health.
Then, we will update how the latest information developments related to the search of the Sriwijaya Air SJ-182 aircraft that lost contact. There is already our colleague, Muhammad Reza, at the Basarnas office, Jakarta.
Good morning, Muhammad Reza. What the latest information can you tell us regarding the search Sriwijaya Air SJ-182? Reza?
Good morning, Ruth and Anissa. That the Basarnas team is still conducting searches, but indeed, one of the obstacles for Basarnas personnel is when it is evening regarding the flexibility of the 2 points that are estimated to be the location points where the crash of the Sriwijaya airplane is still suspected of crashing. Sriwijaya airplane 182, who yesterday lost contact at around 14:39 from Basarnas yesterday around 16:30, there was already sending a personnel special according to Basarnas itself, and then it was headed to the location points. Debris found by the Basarnas team and local residents between the Lucky Islands and the Lancang Islands. But indeed, so far, the fact is still uncertain. Basarnas is still investigating whether the debris found this afternoon is part of the Sriwijaya Air SJ-182 aircraft which lost contact. Basarnas itself has sent 3 teams to the point suspected of being the crash of Sriwijaya Air SJ-182 plane. Okay, this time I am with the head of Basarnas team, Mr. Justin Jalik Wijaya. Mr. Justin, how is the situation related to the crash of the plane?
Okay, Raja, we immediately mobilize all our abilities, especially those in Jakarta. We have already departed the ship after obtaining this information to the point where the plane was suspected to have crashed. So the position of the plane after the lost contact was between Mail Island and Ceci Island. The distance approximately 1.5–2 miles. If the from Hook Head it was about 3 miles. We have already departed and some information in the field that some piece of suspected debris have been found. But we are still not sure that is the part of Sriwijaya airplane SG-182. These items are already on our ship and we plan to pull it out. And we will open a post at G2 tonight. It is hoped that tonight our concept is to find a location point where the plane could fall, in the hope that after getting the definite location tomorrow morning we will carry out the search and deepening it. If you look in the map, the maximum depth around the crashing island and the Mail Island is about 20 or 23 meters. We don't know for sure where its position, and the equipment that are potential found in the field is included in our joint team. It is now evidence that is investigated more deeply related to the Sriwijaya Air 182 aircraft.
Okay, thank you Mr. Justin Jalikwijaya. And now we are connected with one of the families of the victims of the Sriwijaya Air SJ-182 crash, Mr. Bill Clinton. Hello Mr. Bill Clinton. How did you know about this incident? How do you feel? Can you tell us?
Well, I will answer your question. Initially, I know when I asked for news through WhatsApp, which was not active. Then I saw the television news that the plane crash was a Sriwijaya Air SG-182 plane. Then I remember that the plane was boarded by my relative. Then I contacted the Sriwijaya Airline to ask for information on the condition of the passenger on the SG-182. Then the airline informed me that it was true that my relative was a passenger on the plane. Then I asked him how he was. The airline told him that the passenger was missing and was being searched by the joint Tim SAR. If it was found, the airline would contact me for further identification. I felt very sad and very shocked to know that my relative was a passenger on the plane. I hope my relative's body will be found by the combined Tim SAR as soon as possible. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Mr. Bill Clinton. And now back to the studio with Ruth and Anissa.
Thank you for the report, Reja.
That's the news that we can convey. Thank you and goodbye.